Hakanu ka nong rim ba pipin ay ka shukos notice. Na tera what utu bo officer ba sign du umlaban side di kulukun ko rule. But kawai ka bangala ba nong hangni ka nong ba ki kamdi tangki kina samla mo ki bedon taka the right to freedom of expression. Ka United Nations House number kandai spa Prah pandai. Ka adopt again ka Convention on the Rights of the Child. But you ka Rights of the Child Convention ka one enforced in 1990. But ka Article 13 Chong Kanika Convention kaong ba the child shall have the right to freedom of expression. This right shall include freedom to seek, receive, and impart information and ideas of all kinds, regardless of frontiers, either orally, in writing, or in print, in the form of art or through any other media of the child's choice. Piga we galong mahakan di ka program kabagi penlong kada ka teachers program. Kada ka teachers day program kaba kisay penlong ki kena. Kamdei ka program jong kinong hikai. Ladatem jingruai ya kada ki jingruai Prah ladatem ki government officers dan ki government officials ngasol thu. Ka government kadon ka hok pan kita ka jing pensal ni ka show course notice. Taki Henry kene kada ka function ba organize ki bagi kena but kene kadai ke choice chungi kena ban pen ruai da kene ke jing ruai te habaki exercise kene ke choice te ka jingli ba mi ka long ba lei ka sarkar ka violate ya kene ka freedom of choice of the children te par ka wila da phikwa eru ban khang ya kum kini ki jing ruai ne ki art form ken haki institutions bring in the form of a rule first. Let that rule be debated in public, whether it is reasonable or not reasonable. Then you adopt it. Then after that you enforce it. There should be the process. Pimlaban shuong ba out of the blue, pinchu I show cause notice. But hangni he pinlaban he ba gadon can knee jerk reaction. He ba kani ke jirwai ke ya te but ka wei ba phala ka long ba kani ke jirwai la tem om tang ha kani ke school la tem ha lengi jaka. Hendre ke show cause notice kami tang hakani ka school. They can make up in power bakadon ka certain certain fear from certain quarter keep associated with that particular area. And they la dai ba kalong general they bale you baro quite pim khang kin. They but ka way hi ka ba nga snow lungo kalong hi ngan ban ya ta kalong ba ban sanitize ya ki educational institutions na ka politics. People when you talk about politics, you know like politics hangni kalong ba perkat student union that is a form of politics. That is students' politics. When you say that students should not be made conscious, students should not be made aware, students should not be allowed to take part in any political activity, so which one is not political? And in fact, for example, even when you talk about women's rights, that is part of politics. When you talk about the rights of the women, when you talk about rights of the child, that is part of the political process. So here when you say politics, I don't know. And in fact, pika way along ba, aba pikwa ki enlightened citizen that they can exercise the choice later on. Kani ka convention on the rights of the child ka ay ki kani choice. But can repeat kani ka long ba, hagbagi kina they made that choice. Why should the state deprive that choice from the student?